Hello, welcome to UpsideDownCrypto. In this video, I will show you a few Chia resources I use on a daily basis, which you may or may not know about. Let's get started. First, I'm going to go through some YouTube channels. This one is a really good YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. I'm going to upload tons of Chia related videos very soon, and I already have tons of Chia related videos. Second YouTube channel that I really like is called How to Crypto. This guy makes tons of really amazing high quality videos. Check out his video on Chia mining rigs. That's amazing. And the quality of these videos are just really good and really good information. Make sure to subscribe. I think this channel is going to blow. Next one's a channel called Biokip. And this guy here talks about technology. He does music production. He actually provides free music for tech users on YouTube. So if you're a YouTuber making YouTube content, you can download his music. He talks about Chia. He's got some really good videos on Chia and how to build PC. So check him out. I'm sure you have come across iMine blocks. This guy has been around for quite a bit really. He started with talking about Ethereum mining. I've been following him for a while, even before Chia was a thing. He's really good. Check him out, subscribe. Coin Breakthrough is also really good. He's got some really lengthy videos where he interviews others and he goes in a lot of detail. It's a good YouTube channel. Check it out as well. Let's move on to a few blogs. ChiaDecentral.com. I follow this blog and it's pretty cool. They post news and articles related to Chia, hardware and stuff like that. Check them out. The ChiaFarmer.com. It's also a good website and it's got some nice blog posts. Moving to the official Chia Community chat, which is on Keybase. Yeah, I don't like this interface too much. As you can see, it crashes a lot. I have an error message here on top. And even when I manage to get through any of these channels, anytime I try to chat, my chat doesn't get through and I don't see new chats. So I don't know if this thing is buggy or I'm not doing something right. If you know why this thing is not working for me, then please comment below, but there are a few unofficial alternatives. I really wished they moved to a different channel like Discord or maybe Telegram or something like that, because Keybase, I don't really like it that much. Here's the official Chia Reddit, so just chia.com/r/Chia. There's tons of activity happening on this Reddit channel, so if you don't have Reddit, make sure you open a Reddit account and just engage here. If you have questions, the community is really engaged. As you can see, there's tons of posts here, tons of activity. So yeah, just check it out. And it's a good place to get ideas and find information and find news on Chia. Then we have Chia Garden, an unofficial Discord channel. So they have different channels: general, price, talking on the trade, support, dev, and they have faucets too, where you can get free faucets, free mojos on Chia. You just put down free Chia, then your wallet address, and you get some free Chia. So yeah, make sure you join this Discord channel. There's a lot of discussion happening. There's a lot of fun happening here. There's a lot of memes and it's pretty cool. It's fun. Another one is called ChiaClub.io. Again, they have a Discord channel. And here again, you can talk about things and it's pretty cool community. They have faucets again where you can get free Chia coins, which is pretty cool. Just put /faucet, then followed by your Chia public wallet address. Twitter, you just put down $XCH and search what's happening regarding Chia. You can find new articles, new news, new discussions on Chia. You can get involved, comment. You know how Twitter works. I don't need to explain that. Yeah, this is pretty cool. But yeah, Shiba Inu, pretty cool coin. This is a fake account. There's a lot of fake accounts on Twitter, fake comments and things like that. So be very careful who you comment. Never send any Chia to investors or people that are planning to triple X your money. There's no easy way to win Chia coins, so just be very careful. There's an unofficial Chia Telegram group. It has 350 members, so you can join this if you want. And finally, let's just have a look at the Chia price, $500. It's gone down quite a lot. I use this exchange, OKEX.com. If you want to buy Chia or sell Chia, it's a good exchange. I don't have any affiliates with these guys. And Gate.io again is another place where you can buy and sell Chia pretty easily. I hope you found this video useful. Again, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And until next time, crypto out.